Hello. Hey, it's Julia, aka Mamo. You already know that because you're on my Insta feed, but I wanted to share this with you. I got a package in the mail from Hallmark. If you know me, you know that I'm a Hallmark ambassador, and I have been for some time. I adore the company, and let's see what they sent me for Valentine's Day. So, we've got some awesome cards. This is hilarious. And I remember this morning seeing that one of the influencers might just frame it. Honestly, it's that cute. So inside it says, "Hope your Valentine's Day is terrific." I thought that was very cute. And then this is a card. It came last year as well, and I loved it. And I think if you can grab this, I think it's the sweetest thing because inside each individual heart, you can place a little comment. So what I did for my husband last year is that in each heart, I gave one reason why I loved him. So I shared, our wedding day, the birth of our children, all of these things, little moments that we had. And I thought that was very special. So if you can grab this one, I think it's very special. And inside it simply says, "Love you." So it's your job to make it special for your significant other. This one I shared online this morning. I love it. It's so simple. It's actually a wood chip. I don't know if you can see that. But it's a Disney beauty. I love it very, very much. And then this also was something that came back from last year. I adore this. I think it's the sweetest thing. It can be given to your partner, but it can be given to the kids too, some of them anyway. There's little notes inside. Let me see if I can put it down to show you. Each one can be, taken off and placed somewhere. Can't stop thinking about it. Don't even want to try. They're so cute. So some are for your partner. Some of them are cute enough to give to kids. Excuse me, guys. I have a bit of a cold. That's why I'm not even showing my face today. So this is a really sweet thing to have on hand in the house. And just kind of share it out whenever you feel like it. And it's only $9.95. There's quite a lot. So actually it says 100 notes. So then we've got, what Hallmark is known for. Their beautiful tissue, the cards, and also these beautiful bags, paper bags for gifting, which this could be given any time of year for birthday or for Valentine's Day, anything you want. I think it's very sweet. I know I'll be using it for my charity event, Shopping from the Hearts. It's coming up in the spring. This is another one. Look how beautiful. So that is pretty special. It's even got the little beads on it. Alright, then we've got something for girlfriends. If you think this is funny, good friends know what you like. Great friends pour you another glass of it. I thought that was very sweet. Kind of cute for when you have your girlfriends over. So that's $5.95. And I think it says how many? 20 cocktail napkins. So there you go. It's cute for a little party. This journal, I have never seen this before actually. I was very surprised and impressed that it could even be done for a journal. So it's a plain, there's no lines on this. I'll show you what it looks like inside. It's just plain. But if you can see in my video, this is actually like a resin or a plastic of some sort. So the cover is this kind of solid plastic. See how it's like put together? So I thought that was really, really special. It's beautiful colors. Very nice gift to give someone. That's $24.99. And then we have, I know you're looking at the cute little guys inside. So this is a little notebook. I thought it was very sweet. And what I liked about it was that it was inside. You've got your little pencil and your paper, but on the opposite side, it's going to be hard for me to do with my hand, my one hand, but there's like these little notes, little expressive notes on the side. Let me see if I can grab one to show you. Yeah, peace, love, and confetti. They're all different inside, so they're like little additions that you could add to, a note that you're giving someone, or add even as a little bookmark because they're solid stock. So that was very cute. That's $7.99. I think it's a very sweet present to give somebody. I'm going to be appreciating that. And then we've got, there we go, these guys. Oh my goodness. Look at them. I thought he was adorable. I know a few people that would love to have this. My sons are going to claim this for their own, I'm sure. I have a dog lover. We don't have a dog as a pet, but everything dogs he loves, and I know he's going to want it. And it's the cutest thing. They call it the Q-Pug. That was very cute. All right, then we have, so as you know, Hallmark always has these beautiful like singing plush animals, and this is the one that they have this year for Valentine's Day. So let me see if I can prop it up so you can see it properly. So it's a little, well, it's not little, it's actually quite big. It's incredibly soft for little ones. And then this is the song, guys. There's even the little bird twerk. The little bird is like tweeting away. So cute. So as you can see, in store it's $17.99 if you get 3 greeting cards. Otherwise, if you don't need any greeting cards, which I would get the cards anyway for later use, but if you didn't want the greeting cards, it's $32.95 on its own. I always, when I have to buy gifts for people, if I find something like this that has an edition with, you know, less expensive with cards, I always get the cards because I inevitably will need them later on down the line. And the last thing in my box was this. So I don't know if you're familiar with this, if you've ever done it before. I know my friend Tanya actually has a blessing tree in her office to remind her of certain things, and it's something that she put together herself. So these are just the tags, you'll see. They are not written on, so it's up to you to decide what your blessings or what your sayings are that you want. And I know that Hallmark sells this tree as well, but it's sold separately. I think this is a beautiful addition to a family house, to have something on hand visually that you can have so that your whole family can see your blessings, or even just, you know, your very special things that have happened to you as a family, what you're grateful for. It can be up all year round. I think it's just beautiful, and you can keep adding to it. So I thought that was a beautiful thing to add to your family. I know that that's something that I'd like to do. I think it's also encouraging for young children to kind of put something out there that's visual for the family to see what they appreciate. So that was a really nice addition, Hallmark. Thank you so much for that. And that's my package, you guys. So I've got a lot of lovey-dovey stuff to pass out and give and share with my my family and my friends. And this guy, I'm going to be giving him away on the blog. So stay tuned for that, because you have a chance to win this soft elephant that sings "You Are My Sunshine." I think it's the cutest little thing. So I hope you're having a wonderful Valentine's Day, you guys, and talk to you later. Bye!